For some of the Dynamics users out there today, you're logging in and realizing that the advanced find and personal view functionality has changed inside Dynamics. Microsoft has done a wonderful job of updating the personal view functionality inside of Dynamics and added some additional capabilities that I think really enhance the user experience. So the first thing that may notice is that this funnel may or may not exist. If it does exist, it's not going to launch what you normally would expect, which is the filtering capability. What it does is launches a series of tables that you can filter on, or entities that you can filter on. The other thing that you can do is just simply go to the entity that you want to create your personal view for and start there. So in this case, I actually want to create a personal view that includes ratings, and I want it to be for all accounts. So I can either switch to all active accounts if I wanted to, or I could edit my filters here. Just for the demo purposes, I'm going to go to edit filter here, and I'm going to remove the filter for owner by selecting that and select delete, and then I'm going to apply that. Now I want to add a column for the rating, so I'm going to go add columns. I want to go to the account rating. I'm going to go close, and I'm going to select apply, and now I have my account rating, and I want to drag that right over here in the beginning, and you'll notice there's an asterisk there. That tells me that the default view has been changed and it's ready to be saved as a personal view should I choose to do that. And the way I do that is I drop this little chevron down, and I'm going to select this as save new view. So I'm going to call this view active accounts with rating. And when I save this, it's going to become available as a personal view. Now, previously, if you select a filter, you would go into your save views. Well, with the new functionality, you drop the chevron down, and you'll notice that there's a new view with a chevron, and this is a previous view that I created, but there's a little icon here that indicates it's a personal view. So I have two personal views here. I don't want two personal views, so I'm going to go to my manage shares views, and I'm going to delete one of them, and I do that by simply selecting delete here, and it pulls that particular shared view out. While I'm here, it's also important to show you another really neat feature that's been enabled by Microsoft, and that is the ability to hide system views. Now, this is something your system administrator would have to turn on if your organization is interested in allowing this to happen. But I can come in, and if these are views that I don't necessarily ever use, I can come in and hide these views so that I don't have to see them every time. So I might want to see active accounts. I don't want to see my connections, but I'll leave the rest. And when I select apply, what you'll notice is when I go to my list here, you'll notice that my other view has been removed, and now I only see the views that I'm interested in. Also, if you wanted to share this particular view, you would select it here and then share, and then when you select the share, you would select the teams or users that you wanted to share your view with, just like you would normally do. And that's how the functionality works for advanced view, advanced find in the new Dynamics environment.